Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fantastic beginner-friendly push-up workout that's perfect for those just starting their fitness journey. Trust me, this is a great way to build strength and endurance. So, let's kick things off with a simple 5-minute challenge. The goal is to complete as many reps as possible in 5 minutes. But here's the twist, you can only do push-ups. This may sound easy, but trust me, it's not. I've seen some of the most seasoned professionals struggle to get more than 10 reps in this challenge. Now, if you're new to push-ups, or perhaps haven't done them in a while, that's totally fine. Start with as many reps as you can and work your way up. The key is to progress and improve over time. Remember, consistency is key. Try doing this challenge twice a week to build strength and watch your progress unfold before your eyes. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be an absolute push-up pro. Thanks for joining me today. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more awesome workout ideas. Stay strong and see you next time.